Today's officially episode 1 of day trading until I quit my job. Before we get into like the charts and stuff like that, just want to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about myself. So my name is Caleb Lee, I'm 23, I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. Where do I work? I actually work for Amazon, I'm a truck driver. I've been doing it for almost a year now, currently only making $4,000 a month. Besides that, I just want to give you guys a little bit of information as we go through the series and stuff. I'll tell you guys more. My job is just to be fully transparent on how much I make, how much I spend, you know what I'm saying, what are my bills looking like. So I'm currently in a trade right now, currently up about $1,500. The broker I use, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but the broker I use is Owanda and I'm using TradingView. So I just got in this trade. It hit about 51 minutes ago, so it's Tuesday, April 16th, 11:45, about to be 12 a.m. I'm gonna keep you guys updated and to show you pretty much how far it goes. My take profit is actually 20,000, which I know would probably take some days to get to, but we just gonna have to see. But as you can see, live account with the that dot, and then you can see it's Owanda. Let me see. Okay, boom. Owanda live. And this is not a funded account, this is an actual live account. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated, and we're gonna see probably like 6 a.m. it should be higher. All right, good morning. Today's actually April 17th, 9 o'clock, 9:15. I just wanna show you guys the time real quick so it lines up with the PC, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I wanted to break down this trade that I'm currently in. I might hold this trade for pretty long, but here, let me, just want to show you that my account is real. Okay, let's go to Owanda. So this is not a funded account. This is it's my personal live account. So we'll go ahead and sign in real quick. I'll just blur this out. It's my business email, so let me see. Oh my god, where's my password? Let it load. Primary, you can see my, I'm not sure if this account number matters, or I'll blur it out though. I'll blur like the last like 10 or whatever. But allow. All right. And we are currently, yep, we are in. But as you can see, we are up today about $2,000. We are up like $5,000 at, let's see what time. So around 6 o'clock, 6:30. I was up around that time. I always set my alarm, normally like 6 o'clock. We are up around this time. The reason why I didn't pull is because I think it'll go lower. It'll go much lower. Reason being, I feel like it has to correct this big push right here. As you can see, it's let's measure the pips on it. I didn't go no sleep yesterday, by the way. I was hoping my cousin pushed his car because his car broke down. But anyways, we got 86 pips right here. I think it'll come back down here to retest this area, and of course to fix that that imbalance. I think this was new, by the way. So we got a huge rally up. See how many pips that was. So roughly about like 200 pips. I got in here. So at this line right here, when you're using TradingView, it'll tell you. This line right here is where I got in at. So I just waited, and then the reason why I got in at this spot right here is because if you look left, I always draw like my highest, at the highest point it touches. So if you can see, but the previous high point was roughly like around this zone right here. I buy super high. I didn't even put a stop loss because I didn't think it'll break this at all, this line right here. But here, let's go back real quick. we're already pushing down. It tested this zone like what, twice, 1, 2, or 3 times actually before pushing down. I think the market has to, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna get these big pushes, but it has to, you know, go up, down, up, down. We're gonna see how long I can hold the trade for. If I gotta hold it for a month to get my TP, which is $21,000, I'm gonna do it. By the way, I do wanna preface and say, like, I'm not an expert trader. Like I've been in the game for how long? Probably like seriously, probably like 6 months. But I've been trading stocks, crypto. I lost a lot of money, and that's pretty much it. Like this is me finally being profitable. You know what I'm saying? It's up $2,000 right now. So I mean, I could take for profit, but it is what it is. We're just gonna hold it, not only for the content, but just so I can prove my point. I might change my TV because I know getting to this point might take weeks to a month, maybe even like 2 months, but I mean, look at the payout. So I just want to prove a point and show you guys, like, if you buy high, it's pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? If it's at its highest point, you got to push back down. You know what I'm saying? I'm not an expert at trading. Like, I don't even know the terminologies, to be honest with you. But like I said, the series is about documenting my journey. It's about, you know, showing you guys what I learned. The plan and the goal is obviously to quit my job, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be low-key just learning with you guys, you know what I'm saying? And teaching you guys what I know, what's helped me, and also showing you guys like my bills and stuff. How much do I need to actually quit my job? I'm not gonna sit here and say like I'm ready or like I feel confident to quit my job right now. Like I really don't, you know what I'm saying? Like I make money and then I lose money. So I'm just editing the video. I don't even know how I want to structure it really. But before we end episode 1, I just want to show you guys. Let me log in real quick. It keeps logging me out for some reason. But while I do that, I just want to say, yeah, I'm not sure how I want to structure the videos. This is new to me, so we're just gonna get the hang of it. I'm gonna still document, like, you know, how much profit I make so far. Here, let me put this down real quick so I could sign in. And so it's signing in. Give me one moment. 1 minute. Boom. So currently it is 10:44, right? You guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. Right, 10:44. Let me show you the time. In the day, 10:44, April 17th, 2024, right? We are currently, as of recording right now, so you guys can see the amount, we are up 5 bands actually. So I'm gonna just hold in and see how far it goes. But that's pretty much it. Gonna end episode 1, and then episode 2 is just me again showing you how far price dips, as well as hopefully showing you guys like my strategy and stuff like that. But I'll catch you on episode 2.